When you invest, you want something in return. For example, some have pledged their time to helping humanity, and they might measure their return on the reduction of disease or educational achievements. Today, though, we are going to think in terms of money and monetary gain. For this video, I will focus on investing for profit, money, moolah, cash, cheese, cake, whatever you want to call it, as long as it equals more than when you started. That is called return. So what is return? Think of return in simple terms of getting back something. How much am I getting back? When will I get it? How will it come back to me? Return has two parts. One is the return of principal, which is the amount of money you put in, what you started with. Part two is the excess of your principal, and that is what is defined as return on investment. For example, say in January of 2000 you purchased a 10-year US government treasury bond. The interest rate was 6%, so $10,000 equals $600 interest each year. At the end of 10 years, you get your $10,000 original investment back or returned, plus you got $6,000 in interest over those 10 years. That is return on investment.